Another unboxing from Honest Company. Let's just jump in and see what I have. I have the belly balm. I have the nipple cream, or the nipple balm, sorry. The hand spray, sanitizer spray. I wanted to try the spray because I've tried a lot of the other gel stuff, and I like the idea of the spray a little bit better, and we're going to cold and flu season, so, and with one of these you get two, so that was nice. Okay, now I wanted to try these. This is the 4-in-1 laundry packs for 50 loads. Trying to focus. The Honest Smooth Bottom Wash. The conditioning detangler. The shampoo and body wash. And something is leaking. As you can see it there. I'm not quite sure if it's the body wash, and it's kind of this is coming from a warm climate to a cold, then goes through a cold climate, and then kind of we're a warmer climate right now. We really don't get our winters until more like January. So I don't know if that's why it's suddenly leaking for me. But this is the conditioner, and that is all I have this time. I will try to post a review of the items I have gotten so far and what I think of them. So thank you very much. Bye.